Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger, and specifically it's Baseus Super SI Quick Charger 1C 30 watts EU. And I'll be plugging it to Xiaomi 12T. It's a normal, not a Pro version, and also the cable is a data cable, Legend series elbow fast charging, and that would mean the device would be charging in a fast mode. And to check that performance, we'll need to plug in the charger onto the Gosun smart socket, which will tell the exact statistics on this device right here. So that was a lot of information. Now let's try charging in this device. It's in quick charging, and sadly we don't have any device with USB-C that can charge in a normal pace, not the quick charge. And right here, let's go for the Gosun app so that we can see the statistics of a charger. Here you can see them, but we need to wait about 30 seconds till all of them are stable. So let's do that. And now 30 seconds just passed, so we can see the statistics. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.